Feel the air on your skin, the warmth of the sun, the quiet presence of trees around you. You are standing in nature, supported by the earth beneath your feet, moving with intention, grace, and awareness. As you step into your warrior dance, allow each transition to be slow and fluid. Your body moves like a ritual, strong, grounded, alive. In warrior eye, your legs activate deeply. This posture strengthens the thighs, hips, and calves, while lengthening the spine and opening the chest. With every inhale, you cultivate confidence and vitality. With every exhale, you soften unnecessary tension. Transition gently into Warrior 2. Your stance widens, your arms extend with purpose. This pose builds strength in the legs and shoulders, improves posture, and sharpens mental focus. Your gaze is steady, calm, intentional, training the mind to stay present, even in stillness. As you flow between warriors, notice how the movement becomes a dance, a balance between effort and surrender. The warrior poses awaken inner strength, release stored emotions, and invite a deep sense of emotional stability and self-trust. Surrounded by nature, your breath slows, your nervous system relaxes, your body feels powerful yet receptive, sensual in its awareness, rooted in the moment. Take one final breath here. Honor your strength, honor your softness, honor the quiet power that lives within you. If this gentle yoga practice resonates with you, I invite you to join my members-only channel, where we explore deeper flows, exclusive practices, and a more intimate journey into movement, presence, and feminine energy. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you inside.